Good morning, students. I'll be teaching you the class 12th very important questions which are going to come in your board examination. As the examinations are near and due to the COVID-19 outbreaks, schools had been closed for the whole year and students couldn't join their classes. But don't worry, I'll be teaching you almost every day the very important topics or the questions which are usually asked in the exams. So this is the class 12th NCERT and there are near around and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units and 16 chapters in total. So randomly I'll be choosing any topic or any important question and will be teaching you in this video and in the coming videos. So students, today I am going to teach you about the double fertilization, which is an important topic of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. This question or topic is very important and it do come in examination in 1 mark, 2 mark or either 5 mark. Okay, so double fertilization. Double fertilization means fertilization between male gamete and the female gamete 2 times. Okay, 2 times. So you need to know what is the female reproductive organ and what is the male reproductive organ in case of flowering plants. As you know well that flowering plants and the gymnosperms are the category of 2 higher plants. So this all chapter is all about the angiospermic plants, angiosperm plants or the flowering plants. So students, this is the structure of carpel, female reproductive organ. This upper part is called stigma. The long cylindrical part is called style. This part is called ovary and the lower part is called thalamus. आपने हिबिस्कस का प्लांट तो देखा ही होगा. इन हिबिस्कस प्लांट अगर कार्पल जो होता है वो फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन होता है और ओवरी के अंदर होते हैं बहुत सारे ओव्यूल्स. क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन में ओव्यूल के अंदर जो एक्सेल होता है उसके साथ ही मेल गैमेट फर्टिलाइज करता है. इससे पहले हम पढ़ते हैं मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ स्टैमन, दैट इज द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन. This is anther, this is filament, and this anther contains pollen grains. If we dissect it transverse in the transverse section, then you can see inside the anthers there are present the pollen grains, and each pollen grain contains the male gamete. So students, I have told you about the female reproductive organ, that is carpel, and the male reproductive organ, that was stamen. So what is actually going to happen in double fertilization? This is the ovule. So inside the ovary there are present the ovule. Let us study the structure of a ovule, single ovule. So these are the outer integuments, outer integument, inner integument, and this is nucellus, and this is embryo sac, and this is micropyle, and this is funicle, and this is hilum. These are certain structures which you need to learn. And ovule is also called the megasporangium, and ovule is a structure into which there are present different kind of structures. Here we had seen that it is funicle. Now what is funicle? Let us study. The ovule is a small structure attached to the placenta by means of a stalk called funicle. ओवरी के अंदर जो ओव्यूल्स होते हैं, ओव्यूल्स और ओवरी में कनेक्शन होता है प्लेसेंटा के द्वारा, और जिसके थ्रू कनेक्शन होता है बाय मीन्स ऑफ अ स्टॉक कॉल्ड एज फ्यूनिकल. द बॉडी ऑफ द ओव्यूल फ्यूजेस विद द फ्यूनिकल इन द रीजन कॉल्ड हाइलम. ओव्यूल जो होता है वो फ्यूनिकल से कनेक्टेड होता है विद द प्लेसेंटा ऑफ द ओवरी, और फ्यूनिकल से ओव्यूल जब कनेक्ट होता है वो कनेक्ट होता है हाइलम के थ्रू. This hilum represents the junction between ovule and funicle. This is the only thing you need to remember, that hilum is the junction between this ovule and the funicle. आउटर ईच ओव्यूल हैज़ टू प्रोटेक्टिव एनवेलप्स कॉल्ड इंटेग्यूमेंट्स. इंटेग्यूमेंट्स जो होती हैं वो ओव्यूल को कवर करती हैं, और इंटेग्यूमेंट्स होते हैं जैसे कवर होता है किसी भी एलिमेंट का, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट का, और इसमें एक स्मॉल ओपनिंग होती है जिसे हम कहते हैं micropyle. As you can see, the ovule is a whole structure having integuments, and there is a small opening called as micropyle, and this one is called as chalagial pole. Inside the integuments there is present nucellus, और nucellus के inner side होता है embryo sac. Now this is the embryo sac which is going to become the developing embryo once it is fertilized by the male gametes. So you can see again the structure. In the embryo sac of the ovule there is present this chalagial end, this micropylar end. At the micropylar end there are present two synergids and one egg. This is egg and these are two synergids, and in the center are present the two polar nuclei. Together these are called as central cell. न्यूक्लियाई इसीलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि दो न्यूक्लियस हैं. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट सिंगुलर इट इज कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियस, एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट प्लूरल इट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियाई. एट द chalazial end there are present 3 antipodal cells. Dear students, there also comes a question that why a ovule is 8 nucleate and 7 celled. So you can see 3 cells are here, 3 cells are here, 1 active synergids, total 6, and 1 central cell is here, so 7 celled, but 8 nuclei there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, in the form of 2 polar nuclei present inside the central cell. So this was the structure about the ovule. Now let's come to the main topic of double fertilization, which I initially wanted to make you understand. With the help of pollen tube, which contains pollen grains, the male reproductive organ, the stamen, was constituting the anther containing pollen grains, and pollen grains come inside the ovule. This is the structure of a ovary, you can see. And inside ovary there are present ovule, and with the help of pollen tube you can see the structure. The pollen tube, इस pollen tube में मेल न्यूक्लियाई आएंगे. एक मेल न्यूक्लियाई फर्टिलाइज करेगा एक एग सेल के साथ, दूसरा फर्टिलाइज करेगा एक पोलर न्यूक्लियाई के साथ. बिकॉज 2 मेल गैमेट्स आर फर्टिलाइजिंग विद द 2 cells, 2 न्यूक्लियस, वन विद द एग सेल. एक्सेल के अंदर न्यूक्लियस होता है उससे फर्टिलाइज करेगा, और एक पोलर न्यूक्लियाई के साथ करेगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट विल हैपन, मेल न्यूक्लियाई, मेल gamete, when fuses with the egg cell, it is going to form a diploid zygote.